I'm gonna rip this gold off both of you.
Show me what you do. If you touch it, I kill you.
Punching there. You got diabetes and you probably got cancer. Get your own ass down. You don't want to know how to do it. Look at show me.
Don't worry. It can't be nothing to me.
Show me. What's now?
Don't mess with it. Don't mess with it. Don't mess with it. If you touch it, don't worry. If you touch it,
blame if you want to. And you blame if I want to get both of y'all together.
Okay.
Attend murder. Because I can figure myself. Don't give me that again, bitch.
touch it.
I will revoke my bail. And my mother will flip it again. $600,000.
Touch it.
Please claim it if you want to, bitch.
Touch it. Then you will see what I will do.
Don't play with me. Because I
I just say
against your own fucking people. You motherfucking third world countries, swamp swimming bitch.
When we have things, that's why we can spread the nation.
White people get along lovely. It's always black people.
How do you talk about you, dummy? Sit down. Not this not Sunday to put on my phone. I tell you what I said, cut your throat. And these white people, you're really
here it is. I got cut before for defending myself. I was the one that got locked up. I got one for defending myself against my own. Fuck you.
You see?
For defending myself, I'm the one that got the police.
What police?
Because people like you like to talk shit, and I can take mine. I can take mine, but then you take it. Then you take what I give to you for defending myself. Get up on Church Avenue, Parkside, or motherfucker.
No. You know where I live? Look me in my house in Parksville.
Parksville? I said, you think you're Gucci?
No, I'm not Gucci. That's where I live.
You think you're Gucci? Listen.
Look in my house. On Sunday, come and meet me first back and we know my drummer.
Don't let's go. I promise y'all will be calling 911 on me. Like this motherfucker that cut me in my arm and my chest, y'all be calling 911. Please, please. Because y'all don't want me. Because I would fight like a cat on a hot tin roof, bitch.
I will show
y'all
you.
do not want me.
You won't fight nothing. Well, I tell the police.
I would get out of it like a cat on a hot tin roof. You do not want it. They do not want it, honey. He just tried to read me, and didn't think I understood his motherfucking Abubu Makembe Matamo as accent.
That's right.
Living in New York has taught me a lot of things. Don't play with me, bitch. You motherfucker just got over here. You probably don't even got your green card yet.
I don't get my
You got your green card?
No.
Do you want to get deported? You want to live back in the swamp with the lions and shit that chase y'all asses over there, bitch? You ain't lived over there fab, because if you was over there fab, you wouldn't be over here, bitch.
This is my car.
If you was over there living fab, you wouldn't be over here.
Don't let him mess.
Bitch, you ain't living in a brick house over there. You have to be rich to live in a brick house in Africa. I know that much. And I'm going to Africa.
Get my cards. Look. I'm the trade specialist for United States.
That's a temporary visa. Temporary visa, bitch. Temporary. You can be deported. I don't see nothing green on that bitch.
That's my guy.
I ain't scared of no lions and tigers and bears. And then what Jasmine Sullivan just said, bitch. And then what Jasmine Sullivan said, I'm not scared of no lions and tigers and bears. I probably could survive over there better than any of you over there could.
I shot you. So you see their godfather, so you want to fight them. Maybe I shot you.
You look like one of them taxi cab drivers that are trying to pick up one of my drag queen girlfriends at night.
What's his drag queen?
Well, big dick 12 inches down here, bitch. Don't get it twisted. You look like one of those taxi cab drivers that are trying to fuck my girl's dick in my house at night. Good thing I have a job, I don't have to trick. I made my 300 tonight, and that's just for that alone. I'm a diva. That's what they call me my job. I work for an Italian, and I love them. They call me princess. So I guess you can say I'm the mafia princess. And I can live out loud. And I can fight out loud too, bitch. Because they respect me on Flatbush, East Flatbush, Bed-Stuy, anywhere they say I couldn't go in Brooklyn, I've done it.
I didn't know you got your
braids, weave, extensions, and all that. They ain't fuck with me.
Oh my God. Okay?
And I'm pretty. Don't forget that too. Naturally. You ready? You ready, McKimbe Mutombo?
Come, that's all.